date that flings us from barbarian battlefields to blockbuster sharks, with detours for steamships, satellites, and a monarch who really loved corgis. Happy solstice-adjacent history hunters. Welcome to Today in History for 20 June. We've stitched together 20 scandalously interesting, perfectly fact-checked stories, each one a 30-word adrenaline shot for your brain. Smash that subscribe button, grab a snack, and brace yourself, because once this turbo timeline launches, ordinary life will look painfully beige by comparison. Number 20. On 20 June 451, Roman general Flavius Aëtius and allied Visigoths halted Attila's Huns at the Battle of the Catalaunian Plains, saving Western Europe and earning Aëtius the nickname Last of the Romans. Number 19. On 20 June 1756, the Black Hole of Calcutta tragedy unfolded when Bengal troops crammed British prisoners into a tiny fort cell. Suffocating heat reportedly killed over 100 overnight. Number 18. On 20 June 1782, the Continental Congress approved the Great Seal of the United States. Bald eagle, olive branch, arrows, and Latin sass, finally giving the fledgling republic an official signature worthy of wax. Number 17. On 20 June 1819, the sidewheel steamer SS Savannah reached Liverpool, completing history's first transatlantic steam-assisted crossing and convincing skeptics that coal-fed paddles could indeed conquer Poseidon's temper. Number 16. On 20 June 1837, 18-year-old Alexandrina Victoria learned she was queen at dawn. By nightfall, she'd dropped the awkward first name and embarked on a 63-year reign that practically defined Victorian. Number 15. On 20 June 1840, Samuel F.B. Morse received the U.S. patent for his electromagnetic telegraph, paving a wired superhighway where "What hath God wrought" became humanity's first viral text message. Number 14. On 20 June 1863, West Virginia entered the Union as the 35th state after seceding from secessionist Virginia. Proof that American politics sometimes resembles Inception, with more muskets and Appalachian banjo riffs. Number 13. On 20 June 1900, the siege of the foreign legations began. In Beijing's Boxer Rebellion, diplomats, missionaries, and soldiers barricaded themselves for 55 nail-biting days against furious Yi Tuan fighters. Number 12. On 20 June 1913, German engineer Reinhold Teiling patented the reusable glider rocket concept, an idea decades ahead of NASA's shuttles, proving rocket science daydreamers were already doodling spaceplanes before jazz even peaked. Number 11. On 20 June 1944, Day 2 of the Battle of the Philippine Sea saw U.S. aviators massacre Japanese carrier planes in the Great Marianas Turkey Shoot, tilting Pacific air superiority irreversibly. Number 10. On 20 June 1963, Washington and Moscow signed the Hotline Accord, installing a teletype red phone, actually beige, so superpowers could chat instantly instead of accidentally nuking each other over misunderstandings. Number 9. On 20 June 1967, boxing champion Muhammad Ali was convicted of draft evasion for refusing Vietnam induction. Stripped of his title, he coolly quipped, "I ain't got no quarrel with them Viet Cong." Number 8. On 20 June 1975, Steven Spielberg's Jaws premiered, unleashing the first modern blockbuster, scaring beachgoers silly and teaching studios a vital lesson: summer profits taste best with orchestral shark bites. Number 7. On 20 June 1977, the first Prudhoe Bay crude oil finally reached Valdez via the Trans-Alaska Pipeline, a 1,287-kilometer engineering marvel, bisecting grizzly country and fueling decades of environmental debate. Number 6. On 20 June 1991, Germany's Bundestag voted 338 to 320 to relocate the capital from Bonn to reunified Berlin, sparking champagne in Brandenburg and heartburn among civil servants facing cardboard boxes. Number 5. On 20 June 1999, NATO declared its Kosovo air campaign accomplished, as peacekeepers rolled in, halting ethnic violence and ushering tiny Kosovo onto an endlessly complicated road toward provisional independence. Number 4. On 20 June 2001, Pakistan's General Pervez Musharraf quietly swapped his chief executive title for president, cementing military rule via a polite press release, because apparently coups come in business casual flavors too. Number 3, on 20 June 2003, the non-profit Wikipedia Foundation, incorporated in Florida, soon stewarding Wikipedia's crowdsourced galaxy, where anyone can edit and everyone can argue endlessly over semicolons and superhero trivia. Number 2, on 20 June 2012, astronomers announced discovery of UDFJ 39,546,284, then the most distant known galaxy whose light left 13.4 billion years ago. Basically ancient photons delivering "Wish You Were Here" postcards. Number 1, on 20 June 2021, an equinox-adjacent solstice solar eclipse dazzled parts of the Arctic, serving up a rare ring of fire sunrise and reminding humanity we're tiny spectators in a cosmic light show. And that's 20 June, wrapped in supernovas, steamships, and shark attacks. If these time capsule nuggets revved your brain's curiosity engine, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. Don't miss the ride. History's next plot twist is always one sunrise away, and we've saved you the perfect seat on our turbocharged, fact-filled time machine. See you tomorrow.